Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be telling you about the day I messed up on my eggplant parmesan in the kitchen. So first, let's start with the ingredients. You need 2 eggplants, chop them up nicely into good rounds, and you're going to grab a baking sheet lined with paper towel and lay them in a single layer on the baking sheet. Sprinkle it with salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and let it sit so you could get rid of that bitter taste for about an hour. In the meantime, prep. You need flour, salt, black pepper in 1 bowl. Set aside 1 cup of Panko breadcrumbs and a half of a cup of Italian breadcrumbs. Usually here I use 2 cups, but this was all I had. I'm adding garlic powder. I'm gonna set that aside. Oops, I'm putting thyme in there as well. Dry thyme, this is one of my favorite, and I added a little bit more spice, the paprika. Set that aside. Grab 3 eggs, whisk it up, set it aside. And now you're going to come back after an hour, dry off your eggplant, and you're going to start the process. You're going to do flour, egg, breadcrumbs, and repeat that. Layer it onto your sheet, sprinkle it with some Parmesan cheese into a preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes, making sure to flip it halfway through. Grab a 9 by 13 pan, and then you're going to take 2 tablespoons or 3 of your marinara sauce. Sometimes I use pasta sauce here, and you're going to put that in the bottom. Now you're going to try to fix the pieces to fill up the bottom. It's kind of like a puzzle. I cut mine in half and I do whatever to fill the bottom. Then you go with sauce, mozzarella cheese, some basil, and Parmesan cheese. Then you're going to repeat the process. Everything was going fine here until my mom called. See, I'm repeating. Everything is going well. Repeat. Asking me to fix her phone. Into the oven for 20 to 23 minutes. Don't pass 23 minutes. This is how it came out looking. Now it looks great, but the bottom is burnt. And I am a serious girl with burnt cheese. I was very upset with my mom for calling me at the wrong time. And needless, this is very delicious. Do not be afraid to make it once I leave the instructions. I've made this many times and it tastes really delicious every single time, even now that it's burnt. Never cook and talk. That's what happened. Never cook and try to fix somebody's Samsung phone when you are the owner of an iPhone. This is my mess up. Look at the burnt pieces, but this was all gone. Okay, be sure to try this. Let me know how yours turned out. And I'm showing my failures here. Okay? If you enjoyed this video and you've made this and it worked for you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, like, and please do subscribe. Until next time, bye!